found it so good. It's a lot bigger than it's ever been before, so there's a lot more people around.
You've got to find new technologies, you've got to find new products, you can talk to the manufacturers. So if you've got like questions about a product maybe that you already use, but you've got like, you want to know something a bit more, you can come here, talk to them, they'll give you all the information you need.
Having this many gas installers in one place can only be a good thing when you're then trying to educate, change, inform and get them involved.
In addition to seeing a lot of new younger people here at the show, there's been a lot of people that are involved in specification, housing association, architect, designers.
It's been really great. I've really enjoyed the atmosphere. I've been looking forward to such a long time. It's a great opportunity to meet other installers, like-minded installers, and it's a great social event.